Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning or good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to express my respect to Ma'am Dea Vandamar Paung as the lecturer of the YP course and to all of my friends who are present here today. On this occasion, we are group 12. My name is Licia Mazlina, and together with my group member Najwa Maria Hakim, Mutiara Ramadinda Putri, we will present the result of our discussion. The topic of our presentation is judicial review, its role in protecting citizen constitutional rights. We hope this presentation will provide a clear understanding of the importance of judicial review in safeguarding constitutional rights. First, today I would like to present the concept of judicial review in Indonesia, particularly under Undang-Undang Dasar Negara Republik Indonesia 1945 Constitution. Judicial review plays a crucial role in ensuring that law enacted by the legislature comply with constitutional principle, and this authority is exercised by the Constitutional Court. Next, legal basis of judicial review. The legal foundation of judicial review in Indonesia is stipulated in Article 24C of the UUD 1945 Constitution. This authority is further regulated by Law Number 24 of 2003 on the Constitutional Court, is amended by Law Number 8 of 2011 of judicial review. The court examines law both formally and materially to ensure their constitutionality. Next, importance of judicial review. Judicial review is increasingly important in the current global context. According of the World Justice Project 2023 until 2024 report, many countries are expressing a decline in the role of law, particularly in judicial review. In this situation, judicial reviews serve as a constitutional safeguard to protect fundamental rights. Next, in many countries, including Indonesia, there has been a growing trend of criminalizing freedom of expression through repressed regulations. Judicial review provides citizens with a legal mechanism to challenge law that restrict their constitutional right, making it an essential tool for human rights protection.
Next, international perspective. From an international perspective, the relevance of judicial review can be seen in the case of Beatriz v. El Salvador, decided by the Inter-American Court of Human Rights in 2024. In this case, the court found that the state violated fundamental rights and ordered legal reforms, demonstrating how judicial review can function as an instrument of substantive justice. Next, accessibility and reform. Several scholars argue that the effectiveness of judicial review depends on accessibility. The constitutional interest doctrine allows broader legal standing, while judicial digitalization, such as fulfilling and open access to court decisions, improve public access and strengthens the judicial review system. Next, case study, election law review. One important example of judicial review in Indonesia is Constitutional Court Decision Number 14 PUU 11/2013, which examined the constitutionality of holding legislative and presidential elections separately. And then arguments of the petitioners. The petitioners argued that separate election weakens popular sovereignty, undermine the presidential system, cause inefficiency and voter fatigue, and failed to reflect the principles of effective and efficient election as mandated by Article 22E of the Constitution.
Court decision on elections. In its decision, the Constitutional Court ruled that legislative and presidential elections must be conducted simultaneously. This approach was considered more consistent with constitutional principles, better protecting political rights and strengthening Indonesia's democratic system. Judicial Commission and Constitutional Court. The Judicial Commission was established to supervise the ethics and behavior of judges. However, a legal debate arose regarding whether the Commission has the authority to supervise constitutional judge of the Constitutional Court. Decision number 005/PUU-4/2006. In decision number 005/PUU-4/2006, the Constitutional Court ruled that the Judicial Commission does not have the authority to supervise constitutional judge. The court reasoned that constitutional judges were not envisaged at the time the Judicial Commission was established. The conclusion is judicial review is essential for protecting constitutional rights, maintaining judicial independence, and ensuring democratic governance. However, its effectiveness depends on judicial independence, accessibility of the legal process, and the institutional capacity of courts to respond to evolving challenge. Thank you.
That concludes our presentation. We apologize for any shortcomings. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.